Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? Take a look at these. I just got them. They're the Makartt pump-ups from the Hooked on Love collection. I love the length and shape of these nails, and I'm so excited to use them. Now, if you've been with my channel for a while, you know I got these because of the matte finish. This was also part of my Amazon order, but came separate from what you already saw. So, it is a press-on nails kit, and I'm loving the XXL coffin look. There are 24 full coverage nails that come in 12 sizes, so that means there's only 2 of the same size in each slot. They are pre-colored in 2 shades of pink for you to simply press on and go. The kit also contains a small tube of Makartt press-on glue in a convenient carry-around size, and a small handheld nail file that is 100/180 grit. It's so cute! These novelty sizes will fit right into an adorable purse set. There's a sheet of 24 stick-on tabs, an alcohol wipe, and orange wood stick. And this is the design I created because y'all know I'm extra. So I decided to use what came with this kit for applying the nails. For any press-ons, you must size the nails to a proper fit. This was already done before I did the nail art, and be sure your own nails are trimmed down. I pushed the cuticles using the flat end of the orange wood, and then use the point end to remove any excess around the cuticles and sidewalls. Then I etched the nail surface lightly with the adorable little nail file to remove the shine. When finished, rubbing alcohol will cleanse the nail bed and act somewhat as a dehydrator primer for the glue. I have the nails arranged in order, and usually I start on my dominant hand first. This is my preference because all too often it can be uncoordinated after doing the non-dominant hand first. But as you see, I already have them on from the original video. I like to make sure to arrange the nails in the order I will wear them. Now, a lot of instructions recommend putting the glue inside the nail, but my preference is to place the glue on my nail bed. This way I can see how much, while placing it within the center and leaving a gap around the outside edges, which gives the glue some room to spread when you press the nails on. And they are so beautiful.
So yeah, the nails, the fact that it's maintained that matte finish, I love it. And also, if you notice, there is, and I'm being kind of rough, there is absolutely no lifting. Now, I did lose the 2 roses on this finger, and I lost a teddy bear on the other hand, but that was to my own fault, ending up doing something rough with my hands. I was literally looking for something in a luggage type bag, and you know how some luggages could have like that heavy duty real strong metal zipper. I wanted to give you guys an update on the Makartt Hooked on Love set that I did, and that was recorded back like on, I want to say February the 9th or 10th, and then it was posted like a day or two after. And I said that I would do a wear test also because someone asked me how long the glue lasted. So here has been 2 weeks exactly, and plus maybe about a day or two, and I think it has done fairly well. As you guys know, in a recent video, I showed where I lost a couple of the embellishments because I was reaching into like a luggage case. And then this happened a day ago. And this happened when I was, ladies, we know, right? When we're pulling up our pants. So I was pulling up my pants, and I guess because the length of that middle nail is longer, and then the thumb is usually inside the pants by itself, the pressure from it. So I think that doing this after a 2-week and a couple day wear is not fairly, but I think it's actually very well.
It's 3 weeks, guys. And here's a closer look so you can see there's just a bit of grow out, but still no lifting. The thumb started feeling loose, and I'm thinking it's going to be the first one to go, but generally, they're all still holding on pretty good. For the removal, you will need water as hot as you can stand and cuticle oil. This is some cuticle oil I have around the house and use it just for this specific reason so I don't use up my favorite. I just slather it right on, also on the underside to help loosening at the free edge. Then I place my hand in the water to soak. At this point, I need to explain the video has been sped up ×4. I think it would have been just too mundane. You know, like watching paint dry. So in total, this took me between 20 to 25 minutes. And in about every 2 to 3 minutes, I check for anything that loosened and also to wedge in lightly to encourage the loosening. I added more oil whenever I thought to do so, and I also changed the water about every 5 minutes. But of course, all this will vary. If you notice, I didn't go in very far or aggressively when wedging in, and I slowed the video down when the nails came off so that you could see they were actually popping off very easily. As much as I am happy to show that it's possible to make press-ons last up to 2 weeks, I just felt such relief taking these off, y'all, because I never go this long with any nails. I prefer to change out often. Well, also there's the need for me to do videos, right? But I really like to change out very frequently. I decided to post this today. As you know, it would typically be bougie nails on a budget. But since someone asked, and also, I figured I've shown so many press-on nail sets, it's proper time I did a video on applying the press-ons and removal. I was also asked by a number of you in the past what type of nail glue I use. Myself, I lean towards using whatever is available to me locally because I take off right away. This Makartt glue did very well, but keep in mind, it's also always in good nail prep. Continuing to add the oil during the removal process provides nutrients to the nails while you're doing this and also protecting them. And on top of that, it's making things slickery so that the nails will pop off a little more easy. Remember to go in from time to time and continue wedging just a little by little. You also want to remember to replace the water when it starts cooling down, because it's the heat or the warmth from the water that helps to break down that bond from the glue. Once all the nails are removed, I use acetone, cotton balls, and these cute little fingertip covers to remove any excess residue from the glue. It usually only takes me one cotton ball or so for this removal process. So I break one cotton ball down into about 4 or 5 pieces, and I saturate them very well in the cotton. And I saturate them very well in the acetone, placing the cotton on top of the nail bed and covering it with the little rubber tip. I'm able to still be on my computer while I'm waiting for them to soak. It's possible for me to maneuver or manipulate the mouse so that I can enjoy being on the computer during this time, but it really doesn't take that long. I lightly buff the nails to get anything that I might have missed while using the acetone, and also to smooth the nail surface back out. And now I'm using my favorite cuticle oil by Loved by Verdie Nails. It comes in several different scents. Visit her website and check it out. It's lovedbyverdie.com. And I love how my nails came out. They feel really good right now and relieved. But you know I'm going to have some more nails back on. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and hit that like button, guys. And if you give this a try, let me know how it works out. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I was so glad to see you here, and I really enjoyed doing this for you. See you in the next video. Much love.